Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Bell with William O'Neill India. My name is Rakshakar Kongare, Equity Research Analyst, part of Market Smith India team, which manages model portfolio. Before we go ahead into this podcast, the standard disclaimer is registration granted by SEBI, membership of BASL, and certification from NISM in no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of returns to investors. Investments in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. With this disclaimer, let's move on to the main part of the podcast. First, we'll start with analyzing Nifty's daily price volume action to gauge the market and have a view for the market on the short-term basis. After making a new all-time high around this time, that is last week, Nifty was market status was changed to confirmed uptrend, but from there it started to reverse from there, and profit booking has been seen in the market. Not just with the Nifty, broader market indices have also seen the pressure of selling from the investors. In the meantime, it breached its 21 DMA followed by 50 DMA breach as well. That is when we change the market status to uptrend under pressure, as the distribution day count also increased to 3. And from there, again, we have seen Nifty falling sharply. And currently, it is trading very close to the 100 DMA, which has been a very good support historically. Both 50 and 100 DMAs have been very good support for the Nifty historically, and going forward as well. These two indices or these two moving averages will be closely monitored. And if there is any further selling from here, the next support is at its 200 DMA, which is another 600 points from the current market price. So if that happens, most of the stocks will also follow the similar action, and we might see sharp selling in the broader market indices as well. If that occurs, we change the market status to downtrend, and our exposure to the market will be minimal. We try to book out stocks from the model portfolio. And on the upside, we would like the Nifty to reclaim its 50 DMA and also make a new all-time high, so that we can change the market status to confirmed uptrend. As we are in uptrend under pressure, there will be slightly cautious while adding stocks to portfolio. We already have adequate number of stocks in the portfolio, but if there is any strong breakout, which is looking very good on the fundamentals and as well as the technicals, we try to consider those stocks to add to the portfolio. And regarding the existing stocks in the portfolio, if they do not perform well, or if they move sideways or fall on the higher volume, we will definitely exit those stocks and make room for the new stocks. Ending season is still continuing, and I think most of the companies have reported their numbers, but still there are a few other companies are still to be reported. And some of the companies which reported their numbers yesterday are DLF has come up with their March quarter earnings. Revenue has grown 46% to 2,100 crores of rupees. This is year-on-year basis. Profit has also increased more than 61% to 920 crores of rupees. Jindal Steel and Power has come up with their numbers for the quarter. Revenue has seen a dip of 1.5% to 1,300 crores of rupees, whereas profit increased more than 100% year-on-year basis to 900 crores of rupees. This is mainly aided by lower input costs for the company. And Cochin Shipyard has bagged a large order, usually in the range of 500 to 1,000 crores of rupees from a European client. This is to design and construct a hybrid service operation vessel, and this is also an option to two more such vessels in the future. Rail Vikas received an order for worth of 239 crores of rupees from Southern Railway, and this is to be executed within a period of 12 months. Shriram Finance Board has approved the sale of its housing finance subsidiary, that is Shriram Housing Finance, to global investor Warburg Pincus for a consideration amount of 4,600 crores of rupees. In the today's session, stocks like Apollo Tyres, Bharti Airtel, Sri Cement, Siemens, Oberoi Realty, V-Mart, Patanjali Goods, Colgate, Palmolive, PVR, INOX are expected to announce their results. There are other companies as well which will be reporting their results in the today's session. And if you have any of these stocks in your portfolio, please be watchful. We might see a volatile action in the current in the today's session. For the global update, U.S. market closed in the mixed, you can say, Dow Jones and S&P in the negative territory, Nasdaq closing 0.3% higher. Asian markets are also trading mixed. Nikkei is trading slightly on the positive side. You can say flat to positive. Kospi is trading flat, whereas Shanghai is trading with a minimal decline of 0.1%. So the global cues are not very strong on either sides. Let's look into how Gift Nifty is playing and what is it indicating. It is indicating a higher opening, around 100 point higher opening. Yesterday Nifty closed about 22,100, so around 100 point higher opening is expected. And if that happens, it's a very good, going to be a very good, it is going to be a very good session. But if that happens, if the further buying happens during the if the further buying happens during the session, then it's going to be a very good session for the investors, because in the last 1 or 2 weeks we have seen Nifty falling sharply. For the chart of the day, we picked Lupin. The stock is trading in a stage 2 flat base, and the stock is still 1% to the pivot, which is very close to the pivot. And in yesterday's session, the action was very good. Price volume, action volume was very high, and stock closed in the top territory as well. It reclaimed its key moving averages as well. Ratings wise, it is looking good. Master score is at 81, EPS is 62, and price strength is 77. ABD rating is A. All the ratings are looking very good. If you look at the last few quarters of earnings, sales have grown most of the times in triple digit growth rate, and EPS has grown in triple digit growth rate, and sales have grown 30 to 40% consistently. The number of funds have also seen a very good improvement in the last 4 quarters, which is again a positive sign. So overall, on ratings wise, it is looking good, and on the chart, it is looking good in terms of price volume action. Definitely, it is going to be a very good stock to consider if it breaks out on higher volume. Thanks for joining today's pre-bell, and have a good trading session.